Lights, curtain, action. This year's musical, Les Miserables, is drawing even closer. Today, we have two guests, Brian Martin and Josh Frizzle, to answer some questions about the production. First off for you two, what are your favorite things about Les Mis?
My favorite thing about Les Mis is the music, and it just always has been. It's so complex, and there's themes for everything. It's just amazing how much time and effort was put into making this musical, and I'm so excited to put it on.
My favorite thing about Les Mis is how easy it is to, I guess, make it right, but then at the same time how easy it is to make it wrong, which brings it kind of together and makes it that pop you get when it successfully works.
Sounds like this musical was made for you guys. What are your favorite memories from rehearsal?
My favorite memory from rehearsal is when we first joined with the pit, because it's cool to see how we started singing with just the piano, and then when we joined with the pit, it was like a whole different type of ensemble rehearsal.
My favorite memory from rehearsal is just all the funny moments that are behind the scenes that kind of get swept under the carpet once we actually start performing.
Backstage is always a fun place to be, but you have to be quiet on performance night. That doesn't mean it's not exciting. What are you most looking forward to on opening night?
What I'm looking forward to most on opening night is the anticipation and the chatter and the buzz from all of the cast and crew and pit members, and how excited we are to put on a performance for everybody in the audience.
I think for opening night, I'm most excited to see everything come together and see all the work we've put into it finally go to good use.
Now Brian, tell us more about your character. We want to know more.
I play Marius. He's more of the romantic lead character. It's cool to play him because I played the comedic character more, and it's more of a serious role. So it's really fun to break out of my shell and do something new.
Sounds like a fun new experience. What is your favorite scene in Les Mis?
My favorite scene is the final battle because we have a lot of fun playing pretend and using different weapons to fight each other and fight off the enemy.
Thanks, Brian. Now for you, Josh. What has been the worst tech issue thus far?
The worst tech issue so far was probably last year during Beauty and the Beast when we were doing the prologue and the audio system just decided not to work and then magically fixed itself after the prologue.
Hopefully it all works out for you this year. What made you interested in audio work to start with?
What made me interested in audio work was mainly the Com Arts program. I ran audio during that, and then I was offered the position to run audio for the musical, and I tried it and loved it.
Thank you for answering our questions. For those of you tuning in, performance nights are February 24th through the 27th in the high school auditorium. We hope to see you there. I'm Austin Meyer for M6, your hometown station.